Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a bit about the building blocks of Power BI. Disclaimer that most of the things we will discuss here are in a kind discussed in detail in the previous video. So I will just go through it very swiftly and will highlight the new things that this building blocks of Power BI section has to offer us. So first of all, they say we have to create a semantic model. This is what I was saying you here. You load the data, from the get data panel, then you transform the data to transform queries. You will get the button just after you are heading to loading the data. Before loading the data, you will get the button of transform data, as we saw in the previous video. After you have the data on the Power BI, you can now see this is the data, table view of the data. You can model it. Modeling means you get as many as data tables like this. You will have multiple tables or blocks like this, and you will make, as this Microsoft section says us, you will add relationships between tables and calculations to extend the semantic model. You will connect these dots between the different columns of different tables, and you will make new calculations based upon that. You will add new calculations in that. For example, you will add more than two columns and have sum or average or some formula applied upon it, and hooray, a new kind of data is added for an extra value in your visualizations. Then you will create a visualization and report. This we have covered also here. This is the pane from where you can add as many as all kinds of charts, and select the data points from here, and it will reflect the visualization here. And uh, what is new in this section is that visualizations can be built in two types. One is canvas to make a report page, and one is dashboards. The difference between them is that canvases and reports are not interactive. Users can slide through data points, or they can work out, if I change this value, how will it reflect on other charts. They can play out with it. But on dashboards, the data is a bit static, only few options of interactivity, but they are one side, one glance view of all of your data. After you have made the visualizations, you can upload that data on Power BI. So this is what Power BI refers to as building blocks of its resources. Semantic model, visualization, either in the kind of report or in a kind of dashboard. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.